Good morning, everybody. This is Darren. I'm coming to you from Murray, Utah. We are with Master Odor Removal Utah. We service the entire state. Actually, on the back lot of an Infiniti dealership. We service a lot of different dealerships, a lot of luxury vehicles, and everything in between. So we are not biased for any means except for odors. So we've got a Volkswagen Atlas here that the dealership has discovered has a marijuana smell, and to make it possible for them to get the sale done, they needed to call in the best to get rid of the odors. So we're gonna spray and take care of everything in here. So we're gonna take care of the upholstery, the flooring, the seats, headliner, that's a big one, that sticks. Smells always stick to those, and the air conditioning system. We have a step 2 process that we use that cleans all of the vents, all the system. So we don't want those smells to come back once you turn on the AC. So we're going to be servicing everything here, getting this done, and so that this car no longer smells like marijuana for the owners, and so that way everybody's happy, the owners, the dealership, and hey, everybody wants a car that smells amazing. So that's what we're going to do here. So if you've got a vehicle that smells bad, we take care of all types of vehicles. We also do real estate, apartments, homes, Airbnbs, you name it. So if you've got something that smells bad, give us a call, let us know. We'd love to take care of you. Oh, and by the way, that air freshener, that's not cutting it. That's going to go here.